guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're all doing well. I'm Kirsty Lowe, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put up these fairy lights DIY style. So I usually love to use these fairy lights that's behind me as a backdrop when I'm filming for my makeup and beauty YouTube videos. But not only can you use these fairy lights on curtains, you can place it on anywhere or anything around your home. No tools are required to put up these fairy lights. So easy and very quick to do. So if you want to know how I put up these fairy lights DIY style, then please keep watching. Right, so the fairy lights come in this really small box, and if we just open it up, voila. So this is the kit that comes inside the box. Let me just take this out. And in here we have a remote control. But before we get started, it's really important to test out these lights to see that they actually work. So with the USB port here, I'm just going to connect it into my laptop. And I'm just going to press the on off button here, on. So straight away you can see that the lights are working really nicely. And if you press the on button again, it changes the light setting, and then same again. So there's 8 different types of light settings, so you have to keep pressing it until you reach the off setting. Okay, now it's off, so you know that these lights work. I'm just going to cut this tie here so that I can arrange and sort out all of the coils. But whatever you do, do not unravel each coil until you've actually hooked these hooks onto the curtain railing. I've arranged it out a bit more clearly so that I can show you how it's looking. There's 10 hooks in total, and each hook has a coil of fairy lights attached to it. So we have the extra wiring here that's still wrapped up. So I'm going to unwrap this at the end when I'm ready to connect the lights to turn them on. So the width of my curtain rail is about 2 meters. So these lights would probably be a bit too long for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrunch the hooks up a bit tighter. So say it should be like this. So say it should be like this, but I'm going to do it like this, so there's a bit more closer and tight knit, so I can actually fit on all of the 10 hooks on my railing. I'm going to start off by hooking the first one to the ring here. With the first hook, I'm going to hook it onto my first ring there, as you can see. So that's the first one done. But I'm not going to unwrap these coils just yet because I want to place all of these hooks onto the curtain railing so I can see the position is right. So I'm just going to get on with the second one. I'll put this one here and I'll see what it looks like. You can always adjust the curtain so that you can change the width of them. So that's the second one. I might need to space it out a little bit more. These all up onto my railing. As you can probably see, it took my second attempt until I got it right, because when I first did it, it was too close together. And now I'm going to unravel the coil. So you just need to pull it really gently so that you can straighten the line. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of the coils. And this is what it's looking like with all the fairy lights cascading down. So what I like to do is gently run your fingers down the fairy lights just to straighten it out a little bit, because it's been in a coil, so it's not as straight as you'd probably want. Just do that. Rocky! Do you want to help me out with the lighting? Come on then. Take the switch and plug it directly into the USB port. So for me, I'm using my laptop. So that's connected in. Here's the remote control, and right at the bottom of it, there's a plastic strip that you do need to pull out just to activate the battery. And then you just press the number button of the light setting that you want. This one is light setting number 1, and it's the combination lighting. Light setting number 2, and it's called in wave. And then light setting number 3, this is called sequential. Light setting number 4, it's called slow glow. So it's like a slow glow effect. And light setting number 5, it's called chasing a flashlight. And number 6, it's called a slow fade. And number 7, twinkle flashing light. It's like a disco rave. And last but not least, light setting number 8 is called steady on light. And this is the lighting that I use when I'm filming for my beauty and makeup videos. It's just a static, constant light. And there you have it, guys. That's how you put up fairy lights DIY style. So I hope you all found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And the fairy lights that I've used in this video, I'm going to pop the link down in the description box below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. Hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!